Hey, Steve Larziliere, the hustler of good, and stevelarziliere.com. And I want to tell you how to fill a 300-person event. So the first thing that I want to tell you is that doing events, especially if you want to grow your business, grow a community, and grow a purpose-driven sort of lifestyle, is really around bringing people together. I never thought in my life that I would be the type of person that would throw events, throw parties. I am naturally a shy person, and I have strategically used events as a way to grow personally and professionally my network, raise money, and bring in business. So the first thing that you want to think about is, who do you want at the event, right? Depending on the type of event that you're doing, and especially if it's a personal development or something related to your industry or something related to your cause, think about who are the people that you want to attract at the event. And is it designed based off of something that they need and want in their life and in their business? The second thing is, go where those people are. It seems easy, right? But wherever the audience is that you want, they're usually taking place, or they live and they occupy in spaces online and offline, right? So if you are attempting to reach financial people, they are probably in financial LinkedIn groups, or they are in networking circles, right? If you want to reach real estate agents, there. If you want to reach cause-minded adventure sports professionals, there's probably a meetup just for them. So what you want to do is to be able to go where they are and get to know them and invite them to be part of your network and the community. Once you've established this group of people and this community, what you want to do is you want to build a host committee, right? And so if you want to fill a 300-person event, what you want to do is find people that are the demographic of the people that you want to attend the event. And let's say if it's 300 people, what you want to do is have each of them commit to inviting 30 people each. Because if they invite 30 people, then you're more likely to have a drop-off. Then they get 15 people each. So if you have 20 people that invite 15 people each, that's 300 people that attend your event. So host committees are an amazing way and an amazing method to scale your efforts, so that it's not all on you as the leader and as the community leader, as the hustler of good, that's putting together, whether it's a gala or whether it's a networking function or a seminar, something that's gonna attract people to your business. The next thing that you want to do after that is that you want to be able to have a very good offer stack. So in addition to whatever the seminar or the gala or the event, you want to make sure that there's like the right, so like, who's the host? What are people going to get out of it? Is there a way to have door prizes, raffles, 50/50s, right? Like, just anything, a silent auction, just anything special that can attract more people. Is the media going to be there? Are they going to film, right? Like, you want to be able to add value by what you're offering to the participant. You want to approach businesses for sponsorship. So if you are putting together a sales event, or if you're putting together a gala or a fundraiser, what you want to do is to be able to go to companies, and let's say like you go to the manager, you go to CEO, you go to the director, and they oversee a group of employees. You can approach them and say that your event is either a personal and professional development opportunity, or is a great team building opportunity. It's a great training, right? Like, whatever your hook for your event is, like, it's gotta be able to attract groups of people that could greatly benefit. And so, like, that's why I love, and with Hustle for Good, I really love the idea of small business and entrepreneurs, because I feel like A, there's a lot of them, and B, they have the latitude to be able to support other businesses and industries and communities, right? What you want to do is to connect your event to a cause. And here's the beauty in that. By connecting to a cause, A, you can attract more media attention, and B, you can actually leverage the charity to help promote the event. Because if you partner with a charity, and let's say a percentage of the proceeds of your event can go towards a charity, or you can do a 50-50 raffle, or you do a silent auction donation, it goes to benefit the charity, a local charity, they will help promote it to their list as well. And you can leverage the goodwill and the brand equity of this particular charity to help promote and get more press there. So here's a little hack in order to be able to get influencers to come to your event, right? So what you want to do is you want to go to Instagram and you want to search for your city, and then you click places, and under places, you'll see the top pictures that are there. And then whoever the top pictures that are there, you click on it, those are most likely the influencers in your city. So I would send them a direct message and then tell them about your event. And then you can actually offer to pay for a shout out on their feed or their Instagram stories to get further promotion of your event. Just to recap, some of the best ways to promote your event is by finding the right audience, leveraging host committee in order to scale your efforts to promote it, able to create great value in what you're offering, approach businesses to be sponsors and to bring their employees, you partner with a nonprofit to find influencers. So if you found value in what I was telling you in this video, I suggest that you go to hustleforgood.com and join the Facebook group where I talk about all of the great ways that you can build profitable and sustainable businesses that make an impact on the community. Go to hustleforgood.com and that'll take you to our tribe and community there. All right, take care. Talk to you soon.